Question number 1. What is a cell? Right answer is option B. Smallest and basic unit of life. Question number 2. Which of the following is a functional unit of a body? The right answer is option D. Cell. Question number 3. What is cell biology? The right answer is option C. Study of cell structure and function. Question number 4. Which of the following is used by cell to interact with other cells? The right answer is option B. Cell junctions. Question number 5. In which of the following type of cells the cell junction is abundant? Right answer is option D. Epithelial cells. Question number 6. What is epithelial mesenchymal transitions? Right answer is option C. Laws of adhesions and gain of migration. Question number 7. In which of the following type of cells the gap junction are absent? Right answer is option A. Sperm cells. Question number 8. In which of the following type of cell sarcoplasmic reticulum is found? Right answer is option A. Muscle cell. Question number 9. Which of the following are phagocytic cells? Right answer is option D. Neutrophil macrophages. Question number 10. Which of the following is known as the powerhouse of a cell? The right answer is option A. Mitochondria. Question number 11. Which of the following is known as the suicide bag of a cell? Right answer is option C. Lysosomes. Question number 12. Lysosomes are produced by which of the following cells organelles? The right answer is option C. Golgi complex. Question number 13. Which of the following cell organelle is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging protein and lipid? The right answer is option C. Golgi complex. Question number 14. Which of the following cell doesn't contain a cell wall? The right answer is option D. Animal cell. Question number 15. Who is the father of cell biology? The right answer is option B. George Emil Philip. Question number 16. DNA is stored in which of the following cell organelle? The right answer is option C. Nucleus. Question number 17. In which of the following cell nucleus is not present? The right answer is option B. Prokaryotic cell. Question number 18. Which of the following organism doesn't have a cell wall? The right answer is option A. Virus. Question number 19. RNA is present in which of the following cell organelle? The right answer is option B. Ribosomes. Question number 20. A cell organelle that is present in animal cell but not present in plant cells is. The right answer is option B. Centrosome.